quite an event to have you here in the office and get to share about dentistry. I know everybody wants to hear about dentistry, but so we're really glad to be here.
People are excited about hearing about dentistry, aren't they? Especially root canals, and it's so funny. Just a dentistry story. My daughters had an appointment with the dentist not too long ago, and they were so excited to go. And I didn't want to tell them that not everybody gets excited about going to the dentist, but they've never had a cavity, and so to them, going to the dentist is getting a free toothbrush and maybe something fun. But it's not always fun. But do you find a lot of the people that come here are afraid of being at the dentist, or is that people pretty excited to come?
Well, here's what I found over time is that in the past there was a lot of experiences that people had that were very, very difficult for them. But like all technologies, things have improved greatly, and going to the dentist is pretty easy. In fact, we have so many loyal patients that come in, we're just kind of an extended family to them. So they enjoy coming in. We know them all by name, and they come and get their dental work or their cleanings, and so they found it to be pretty easy nowadays.
Very nice. Martha Eberline also here as well, Dr. Kyle's wife, and I mentioned a moment ago that we had another incentive for people to come on out here today, and thank you for this nice setup. It's really nice. I'm like in the middle of the dental clinic here. I'm right behind the receptionist desk. I mean, I feel like I'm just in the bowels of this place here, so it's very nice. Thank you for the food and for this nice setup and for inviting so many guests out here. And I wanted you to tell about the other little incentive that we have for folks to come out here and join us today.
Yes, we will do a raffle for $50 Walmart gift card. So if you come on out, you can do that. You can maybe start shopping a little bit ahead of time for Christmas. And we have food available. We have breakfast food and lunch food. So whatever you're hungry for, we hope we have it for you.
All right, the UPS guy just showed up, but I don't think he's here for the raffle. I think he's just here doing his job. Okay, I don't think he was listening to Catholic radio. So, one of our listeners and supporters, Beatrice, is here, and Beatrice has this little pad of paper with her, and I'm going to ask her if she doesn't mind, because I know she's going to be here for the whole hour. Beatrice, if you don't mind, when somebody shows up, put their name on a little piece of paper, and then at the end of the hour, we're going to do a drawing, so it's a Walmart gift card, $50. Anybody who shows up and comes through the door here at Midcities Dental, 556 West Bedford Euless Road, Hurst, Texas, 76053. And okay, so 556 West Bedford Euless Road, Sweetie, Hurst, Texas, 76053. So anyway, thank you for that.
Okay.
And I tell you, I could use a $50 Walmart gift card. It'd be very nice. And you also have food for people who come today, this hour.
We do, and we have toothbrushes and sugarless gum available for everybody that walks in. So come on in and get that. And we're really grateful to be part of 910 Guadalupe Radio. It's very dear to my heart, and our faith is very important to us, and so we like to treat others the way we want to be treated. So if you come to our office, you will be treated like family. And another thing is that we're very we're very kid oriented. We have toys here for them, and we have a little iPad for them to play with, and our hygienists and all our staff are just wonderful with children, so we welcome children to our practice as well. And being a mother, I know how it's important to go to a place where kids are welcome, so your kids are more than welcome at our office.
My kids would light up at the iPad idea. I mean, my kids are crazy about the iPad. I mean, so they actually get to play on an iPad as they're waiting for their parents to get their work done or something like that?
Yes, they do.
Okay, very nice.